Hi guys, I thought I would gather some of my favorite beauty products that aren't makeup, just because we're all stuck at home right now. So maybe you want to do like a little bit of like TLC to your skin or your mental health in general.
For the kids.
Let me start with this. This is for your hair, but I know a lot of us haven't been able to get back into the salon. And those of us with highlights or blonde hair or anything like that, you want these drops. Like, these will literally save your hair from becoming yellow and brassy and all of that kind of stuff. They're purple drops, and they say to use like 3 to 5 drops. I just like use a ton. You use this like with whatever product you put in your hair. So if you put in like gel or mousse, and I usually put it in with like that anti-frizz cream from Living Proof. I can link that too. But this stuff, you just like drop a couple drops in, and I'm not going to do it because it might stain my hand. But you drop a couple drops in and you mix it together, and it takes care of all of that brassiness. Like I said, this is like purple shampoo, but like 20 times better, because it actually works so effectively, and you can use it with whatever products you already use on your hair. So that's one of the reasons that I like it. So these IGK purple drops. So the next thing, this eye cream, L'Occitane, I think is how you say that. However you say that, this is my favorite eye cream, and it really helps to depuff and to moisturize, but it absorbs right away. It doesn't stay there. You don't have this like super thick moisture sticky feeling under your eyes when you use it. This is like one of the few products that I've actually bought multiple times because it works, and I love it so much. So this eye cream is really good. Read the reviews, because everybody loves this stuff because it does work, and it's really, really good. All right, moving on to this Microdelivery Peel from Philosophy. This is another one of those products that I have bought multiple times because it is so good. It's like a microdermabrasion at home kind of thing. It is with salicylic acid and like these like exfoliating exfoliating, I don't know, whatever this is. This is what it looks like. It smells like citrus. It smells really good. So basically you take some of this and you rub it in your between your fingers, and you put it all over your skin, and it exfoliates, and then you leave that on. And then the second step, and I just do this in the shower because it's easier. The second step, after you put that on, you put like this gel thing over it. So you rub it in your fingers, and this will like foam up and create like a little bit of it's warm, like a warming sensation, and then you leave that on. And when you rinse it off, your skin is so like glowing and beautiful, and I'm serious, like I could go without foundation when I use it. And I know a lot of you guys don't wear foundation, but I am one of those people that really likes to wear foundation. But this stuff really makes your skin just like glowy, and it takes off all like that icky layer of like dry skin and grossness. So this is some really, really good stuff, and it smells really good too. Okay, so Colleen Rothschild, she's one of our favorites. If you've been a reader for any time at all, you know that we love Colleen Rothschild. We love a ton of her products, but I can't like sit here and talk all day about all the ones that we love. But this stuff, this Retinol Supreme Night Oil, I put this on every night, and obviously like I use it a lot, so I have to replenish this soon. But I know we're all supposed to include some sort of retinol in our routine, and it helps to like renew our skin cells, helps with turnover, all that kind of stuff. But basically, like, this just makes your skin feel and look really good. This stuff is really, really good stuff. You layer it under your favorite moisturizer. Then the other thing I'm going to talk about, Colleen Rothschild, this is like a newer product, or a newer line. It's Tahitian Manoi. I am sure I am saying that wrong, but this stuff smells so good. And I got this and I was like, oh, it smells like like a vacation, and I was excited because at the time we were like going to Mexico, and I'm like, I'm gonna pack this for Mexico. Well, now I'm just gonna experience. We were going to, but now I'm just gonna experience this at home. This is a body wash. It's a creamy oil body wash, so it's super moisturizing. It feels really good. It's not drying at all, but it smells like heaven, and like you can see that.
Smell.
Does it smell good? Does it smell good? So, I tend to try to keep this one away from the rest of the family because it smells good and it, you know, it's special. It's mommy's special body wash. And then after I get out of the shower, I use this body butter that is like super thick and luxurious and has that same smell that, this is another product that I'm like, okay, I gotta get more of it because I've been using it so much. And then speaking of dry, we are washing our hands like crazy. So I have to give a shout out to this Working Hands. A lot of you guys probably already know about this. This stuff is really good. I've been looking for hand lotion because we were washing our hands so often and they're just like tight and like, ugh. This stuff absorbs right away. It's not, I hate that feeling when you have on your hands that like they just stay greasy forever. Not this stuff. Last two things, Revita Lash. I've been talking about this stuff for years because it works. I had lash extensions for the longest time because I love long, crazy, dramatic lashes, but they wrecked my own lashes. And so I've been using this every night. You just take a little bit and you put it on your lash line. Obviously, I don't have mascara on when I use it, but it really helps to just kind of bring your lashes back from the brink. It gives you thicker lashes, longer lashes, and then so when you put mascara on, I only have like one layer of lashes or of mascara right now, but I can really layer on the mascara and like bring out really a dramatic look just with my own lashes and mascara because I've been able to use this Revita Lash. So highly recommend this Revita Lash lash serum. And because I've been using this for so long, I thought I would give the Revita Brow a try. Because, I mean, I have had, like, the thinnest eyebrows for, like, the longest time. I had overplucked just to, like, an extreme degree. And I do have these filled in, but it's, I mean, they were never this thick before, even when I tried to fill them in. Because there's only so much you can do with your own brows. So this stuff is, like, a cool little, it looks like a lip gloss applicator. And I just put that on, like, once a day at night, the Revita Brow. But it really has helped to fill in, like, spots that were super sparse, spots that were completely bald, and so like now my brows are able to actually be a little bit thicker, a little bit fuller. So yeah, so those are my favorite, my current, well not current, like these have been my favorites for a while now. So I thought I would share since we are, you know, at home with maybe a little bit more time on our hands. So those are the products that I highly recommend if you're interested.